Alright, what is up everybody? It's your boy Nick Stacks back at it again with another video. Today we are going to be changing this door handle on the 350Z. By the way guys, if you guys are wondering, this does include any 350Z. It could be from 03 all the way to 2008. DE Rev Up, HR, Nismo, they're all the same door handle, they're all the same install, all the same removal. So this video stands for any 350Z. So you guys can see, the car opens from the inside, but does not open from the outside. So I'm gonna drop the link down below if you guys want to order it. It's the driver's side, and we're gonna be replacing it. So for the tools that you're gonna need, one of these with a nice 10mm socket and an extension, because it's gonna go inside the door. And you're gonna actually need a flathead screwdriver to take the rubber parts off. All right, as you guys can see, let me put this a little bit more straight. This right here and this right here, you're gonna take the flathead and you're gonna remove them. So let me get that right now. I'm gonna take the flathead, pry it under there. That's one. And this is a super simple install. I'm not gonna lie, I thought I had to open up the whole door card, but you don't. And voila, as you can see right there, the two, let me see if I can get it, 10mm bolts right there in both holes. Sorry guys, it's kind of hard because I got the GoPro on my head. So now I'm gonna grab this. Self-closing door. Fucking took my rib cage out there. All right, we're gonna do this. Huh?
One at the top here.
There's just one inside that
What
little
is this
plastic
one?
thing.
Wait, this broke. That's it right here. Where the fuck this come out from? That's it, the door now works.
Yeah, that's why I said breaks off of the thing. That's what I'm telling you. Just take that rod out.
But this rod got to go back somewhere.
Yeah. All right. There's like a, you see that blue, that blue thing? It sits in there and it pulls it. This goes inside this white one right here. You see?
Yeah, I know.
That's what I said. It broke. That's what breaks off. Everybody says this breaks right off of the door. And then down. Yeah. And then turn.
They got to go back down. They got to get out.
Oh yeah. I had the handles backwards. That's why.
There.
All right. So strip bolts is out. You good? It's whatever.
All right, this got to go back in the door.
We'll put the blue piece in first. Can't even see in there. Try to hook that thing inside that hole and push down. On in? Yeah.
Wait. I got it in there. Wait, I just line them back this first.
Yeah, that key.
Make sure you line up in here in the whole weight. Everything is intact there.
Yeah, the thing's still in the blue thing?
Yeah.
Alright,
So you gotta
should be
push it
good.
in and sideways.
Push, yeah, sideways and down. Try not to break the other handle.
It's not gonna break.
Shit cheap, nigga.
I see the problem.
Oh,
I got it.
there. Not just
Push over. That's it. That's it there. Where's the screws? Look how it is. You get a space around?
Yeah, pretty sure that's how it is. Yeah, it's like an even space around. All right,
Yeah.
moment of truth.
Lock it. I'll open it. Open it from here.
I know, I just want to check, see if the car's open. Ooh, I gotta wind my window down no more.
Alright, nigga, just pack back my tools and where you get them from.
You can take them shits. You can take your tools. Take your damn tools, nigga. Alright guys, so in conclusion, sorry I didn't get to show you guys too much of the install. The bolt got stripped in the door from the previous owner, I'm guessing. That's why he hasn't changed it, but we figured out. Anyways, I'm gonna explain how you do it real quick. So, because my dad came out here, he fucking did it. And you know dads, once they start doing something, they never want to finish. And he just did it for me, so I was like, fuck it. Anyway, so you're gonna take these two rubbers out. There's gonna be 2 10s right here, 1, 2. You're gonna use the socket, get them out. So when you go to the door handle now, you're gonna pull to the right and out. Then you're gonna pull it out, but it's not gonna come out all the way, so you're gonna have to hold it. There's gonna be another 10 for the key fob right here. There's gonna be another 10 for the key fob. You're gonna unbolt that, take it out. There's gonna be a rod. Let me show you guys on this one. There's gonna be a rod connected to the, well, I guess I can't show you guys because that shit broke off of this one, but there's like a little plastic piece. You're gonna see it on yours. It's gonna be connected to the rod. You're gonna have to take it out. There's like a blue rubber inside the door, which is the mechanism that pulls the handle to open the car. So it's gonna be a blue rubber. You're gonna pull the rod out of it, and the whole door handle is gonna come off. Now you take the rod out of the plastic, which you're gonna see in the video. I'm pretty sure you're gonna see my dad have it in the video. You're gonna take the rod out the plastic, put the rod onto this, but then you're gonna put the rod inside the blue plastic, push down on it, make sure it's in nice and firm, so then you can feel the door handle pull and it's good. Then what you're gonna wanna do is take the 10 and bolt the key fob right back up to the door handle. And then you're gonna push down and left, and it should lock into place just like so. Without it bolted in, it should lock into place. You hold it, make sure there's like a little outline around the door handle so you know it's flush. Make sure you can't put your finger under it here either. And then once you do that, you just bolt the 2 10s back in right here. Bolt the 2 10s in right here. And then you just take the plastic like so. You just push them back in. But I suggest before pushing the plastics in, you close your door, make sure that it's unlocked from the inside, and then voila. Listen, you guys might not think this is a big deal, but I'm super happy right now that this door handle's fixed, because bro, winding your window down every time to open this door is a pain in the ass, and that shit pisses me off. So I'm super happy, super excited I fixed that. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you guys enjoyed that install video, make sure you guys slap that like button. Make sure you guys subscribe. It's your boy Nick Stacks. I'm out. Peace.
See, yeah, you my dog for real. It's guaranteed we gonna eat. See, by any means, he feeling froggy, tell the nigga leap. I put another hole in one you feet. Since I started rapping, I can live in peace. All of this feather really got me weak. I'm trying to do better, but it's getting deep. See, I'm from Toronto.